it's Sidhu here. Today I'm going to react to Fire Force Season 3 episode number 4. The action is finally here. The previous episode was filled with action and most probably this episode too. In the previous episode we basically saw a matchup. The first matchup was between Shinra and Joker versus Captain Burns, the Division 1's captain. If you guys need more clarification about that, I don't know why you would need that, but that's happening. And the Captain Burns' powers special quality is that the longer he fights, the stronger his fire becomes, his power becomes. So Shinra and Joker's fight is on a ticking clock, and they have to finish that fight as soon as possible. So that's going to be interesting how they are going to subdue Mr. Burns or something. And my theory is the captain is actually playing or manipulating the White Clad by acting like he is controlled by the god or something. I just think so. He's just a good guy still, because there has not been any casualties till now for him to answer. So that's going to be interesting if my prediction is truth or not. I have not read the manga, so I don't know what's going to happen, but this is going to be interesting. And the second matchup is basically between the rest of the Division 8 and the Destroyer Gold. That's his name. That's her name actually. So that's going to be interesting. There is some mystery about her right hand, which the pyrokinetic girl even she can't control. She says that it doesn't have flames but some kind of heat or something. So let's see what the Licht and the whole team is going to figure out, how they're going to fight. And Arthur is still missing. He fell off from the truck, so his entry is going to be epic. Who is he going to help? The Division 8, rest of the Division 8, or Shinra and Joker? Anyway, the plot thickens, the mystery is afoot, and the action is exciting. So without wasting much time, let's get to the reaction. Yeah, I did say that. I did question that will they be showing this intro in every episode? I think so. I remember that they have been doing this since season 1. So it's not something new. So I'm sorry if I disappointed you guys in the previous reaction. But yeah, I think so. I remember seeing this intro in every episode in the season 1 and season 2. I don't know how I forgot that. I just remember the feeling. My memory is bad, guys, if you are new to this channel. And if you are new to this channel, welcome. Subscribe if you like what you're seeing. And yeah, welcome. That's all. Wow, they are recapping in each and every episode, the previous episode, or at least the main events. I didn't think they have enough time, as from what I read, they have so many chapters to cover that they have to rush in. Anyway, the plot right now is these guys, Vulcan and Licht, has to figure out what her power is and how to counter it. And for that to happen, they have to engage in action for a certain amount of time. Did he figure it out already? Wow. Anyway, so that's what they are trying to do here. What's that? Wow. Okay. All of them are using the trump cards then. What's that? Oh, okay, the shield, huh? Is she creating magnetic power through electricity? Splutter fair. She. Okay. What's possible? Yeah. Come on, don't jinx it. Why are these girls jinxing it? Yeah, he has helped them a lot. Come on, why are they spending this much time in the recap? It's nice for a man like me, but I'm scared about will they be able to complete it in the season properly. Anyway, if I'm wrong about this rushing thing or something, please do correct me in the section. That's what I read in Reddit or something while the manga readers were talking about how will they be able to complete in this final season. That slow-mo scene was good. Oh no, he's going insane. Oh no, what? Did he realize something? Come on, do tell. Oh wow, now are they going to show the main characters? I don't even want to watch this fight. That fight is so interesting. This one is too, of course. Here they have a ticking time bomb basically. Yeah. Nice. Wow, they're going to switch back to this. Is that Gojo's Infinite? Can they? Okay. Then what? Hmm. Wow. I didn't know that. I don't know if it is true or this an anime bullshit or something. Hmm. Wow. How are they going to counter this then? Chachi! Her voice is cute when she says chachi. Hmm. Oh no. How will they fight? Maybe Arthur's sword? Is it iron too? Oh, that's lethal. Hmm. What is boost? What are those boosts made of? Hmm. Wow. Yeah, thermite reaction. Wow, they're using thermite as a firepower, huh? Nice. Oh no, they're excited, too excited. Something is going to go wrong. Oh no. Yeah, she will be shocked, of course. How did she time that then? What is the explanation behind that? Yeah, you already said that. Hmm. Oh, that's painful. And there goes the fan service. Wow, the fan servicing is helping like that. Lucky lecture level. What? Okay, wow, so the coat is plastic. Remove the belts. Wow. Wild. This is wild turn of events. What is this absurd bullshit? Hmm. What about that headset? Oh yeah, what's the power? Huh? Oh, that's nice. Hmm. Nice. Nice turn of events then, huh? This is the innovative way to fight. Oh wow, they have a plan. Nice. So the problem here is solved? Or am I jinxing it? Where is Arthur? How is Arthur going to play into all of this? Hmm. What's that? Oh, yeah, of course. How will they do that? Hmm. Hmm. Time is money. Janaka. Hmm. What's the plan? What's the plan? Don't hide the plan from me. Hmm. Wow, she can do that. But hmm, thermite can do that. Yeah, thermite is specialized to do that basically. This is wild. Oxygen spray. Oh, That's brutal. Yeah, what's happening? Ooh, that's why. Can he? Bullseye it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Wow, that was brutal. I was not actually expecting that. For them to show it's such a brutal sense. Oh, wow. Nice. Hmm. What can these guys do? Are these guys powerful too? Huh? What was that? That's convenient that they only fight alone, huh? Ooh, what's happening? Why is it cutting Tamaki? The air is cutting it. No, maybe the particles that the air picked up is cutting it, like the small stones. He's naming his tornadoes. Or maybe those are the tornadoes that hit America. Others? Like I know Katrina and Erika. I think so. What? Arthur is here! Yes. He took his time. King Arthur boy. Nice. Dead. Already. Yeah. He has gone into character. Nobody can stop him now. Violent Flash. Such a good entry. Yeah, what was he doing till now? After falling. Will we see his side? His POV? Yeah, that's the leg I saw. Yeah, I was confused, man. I was so confused, like they were not even paying attention. Wow, he was imagining a horse. I thought Arthur was going to fight some other enemy that we are not able to see. Or we were not going to see or something. Yeah, that's because of Burns, right? He hid from Shinra that his brother was alive. Okay. Stop talking and start fighting, man. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Why are they taking the time instead of putting the insect already? Can Shinra stop him? Oh no! Oh, no, 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 no! No, 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 no! Oh no, Captain Burns is not acting. He's really retarded. Ah, they ended it. Come on, this was so quick. Well, guys, the episode ended there. Man, that's a cliffhanger. If anything is a cliffhanger, that's a cliffhanger. So the insect entered Obi now, and he is transforming, but they have not shown the transformation. So I'm still a little bit skeptical or hopeful. I should call it being hopeful that he won't turn into an infernal, because once he turns into an infernal, till now we have never seen an infernal turning back, right? Maybe they will find a way to turn him back or something, man. That was so stressful when the insect was looking towards the exit and entering his. My god. Whew, whew. I was just saying, get into the action, stop talking, and that happened. My god. So yeah, again, coming back to the episode, the fight, Division 8 fight with Gold, and the way they countered her magnetism that was induced by the gold, That was nice. The tactics, the lore, the techniques and everything, and of course the fan service. I don't like the fan service, at least in this anime, the way they are justifying the fan service or anything. But yeah, that was funny enough. So that was cool. And again, the Arthur's entry. What am I saying? The Arthur. And again, the and again Arthur's entry. Beautiful, amazing, so cool. He is always cool. Like it is the flavor of dumbness. His cool factor is so dumb. It becomes cool again. Like it is so dumb that it is cool. Yeah, and he is damn powerful. So yeah, the Division 8 fights was Division 8's fight was amazing. And coming back to their fight, like we have not seen much of Shinra's Jokers and the Division, like Division 1's Captain Burns fight. Maybe they will see a majority of it in episode, like in the next episode. And we still have the Division 8 still has another member to tackle in the next episode. So maybe Arthur will end him in one strike, or maybe like right now Arthur doesn't have the surprise factor that he had while defeating the steam guy or the tornado guy. He was interesting. Like, see, that's what I'm talking about, the Fire Force. Even the one-off villain, like his power and his gimmick is also memorable. It's like interesting, like the way he was naming his tornadoes, like that small things. That's what makes like, the Fire Force so beautiful, so memorable, so entertaining. Anyway, we have another guy that the Division 8 has to tackle, and here they have to defeat Burns or incapacitate one or something. They have to stop Burns and save Obi, or maybe if Obi transforms, they have to fight Obi too and deconvert him or something. And the third thing that is happening is that that mind reading girl with the faceplate, she was like fawning, like completely crying like a baby over some sun and the moon. So there the plot thickens, and we have the princess, like Division 5 things. So the sadistic girl with the pink hair, who was a nun before, she realized something about her church or something through her research. So many four plots basically, till from what I can remember, 4 different plots are happening right now, and a few other minor plots. So that's going to be interesting when all of them will come together, and when Benimaru will enter the equation too. So yeah, this is the final season. Things are heating up, the stakes are getting higher and higher, and I'm here for it. And finally, like even for the general audience, the anime has finally become interesting. The episode 3 and episode 4 was filled with action, lore, mystery, and everything the Fire Force does best. So yeah, I am here for it. I appreciate it. I enjoyed this episode a lot, and I hope you guys enjoyed this episode as much as I did. I hope you guys enjoyed my reaction to this episode, and if you did, please like, share, subscribe to the notification bell so that you get notified on my other reaction videos drop. And also do comment below in the comment section your thoughts on this episode, your thoughts on my reaction, and if you have any tips or suggestions or any recommendations for me, please comment down below. I do all of this. The fun in this reactions, in this making these videos, is to interact in the interaction that I have with you guys in the comment section, or through likes, or through subscription or anything. Like you guys interacting with these videos, sharing your views, correcting me, or learning from me something, like maybe I pointed out something, like this small community that we're trying to build. That is the fun. That is the most fun part. So please, and that's why I actually started this reaction channel 1 year ago, because I didn't have then, at least I didn't have many friends or people to talk about my thoughts when I used to watch anime. Like most people didn't watch anime that I was watching, at the very least. Right now the anime is in popular trend, but back then it was not. So yeah, what I'm trying to say is, comment down below, even 1 line, 2 lines, anything. Just say what you like, which character you like out of this anime, or maybe your favorite character out of all the other animes, something. Interact. I read all the comments, I reply to each and one of them, so I am here for it. I hope that I find you guys in the comment section. Anyway, at the last but not the least, thank you to all of those who have been supporting me, who are not new to this channel but have been coming back each and every week for my reactions. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for supporting me for my videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll meet you guys in the next episode's reaction.